Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to hide price range for WooCommerce variable products. Let's get started. You can see in here that I have a variable product and I have in here this price range. So if I want to actually hide this price range, I need to head over here to my home page on my dashboard. Then from in there, scroll until I can see the option for appearance. Now I click on this theme file editor. And then once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see the files that you have on your theme that you have currently installed. So from in there, head over to this theme functions right here, which is the functions of PHP. And then from in there, let's head over and click on it. Now you can see it right here. So what you can do is you can just head over and scroll to the very bottom, and then just add a few space, and then head over and copy this particular code right here. So I will just pause for a few seconds and then head over and then just copy it if you want. Once you have done this, head over and copy it, then paste it right here. Once you have done that, head over and then just try to save this particular code. And then from in there, you should be able to hide the price range for your WooCommerce variable products. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.